Most people work hard and give their best effort in their work, whether in their career, business, or personal life. However, not all succeed. Why? Let's discuss the number one reason why people fail based on Sun Tzu's Art of War philosophy. Sun Tzu said in The Art of War Chapter 1, Laying Foundations. The art of war is vital to the state. It's a situation of life and death, a road to safety or ruin. It is a subject of inquiry that needs to be studied carefully. Sun Tzu emphasizes the importance of doing thorough research and carefully study before making a decision. He believes good choices come from understanding the situation well rather than following outside influences. Many people often make decisions about their careers, investments, and businesses based on friends' advice, mainstream media, and current trends. This results in hasty choices that do not align with their needs or circumstances. Sun Tzu suggests the idea of careful investigation and critical thinking, encouraging individuals to seek knowledge and thoroughly consider their options before taking action. When it comes to studying the feasibility of one's decision in personal life, career, or business, Sun Tzu said, the art of war is ruled by 5 heavenly factors to be appraised in one's action when determining the situation on the field. These are the moral law, heaven, the commander, earth, rules and regulation. To translate what Sun Tzu said, Sun Tzu says that when he makes any decision, it will be based on 5 factors. The moral law. On a personal level, this is your mission, vision, ethics, purpose, and beliefs. Your journey to achieve your personal goals, career or business goals has to be aligned with your moral law. You will not succeed if you do not follow your beliefs or align with your purpose. Heaven. These factors like the weather, economic situation, or market trends are beyond your control. One cannot go against heaven. By being aware of situations you cannot control, you can find ways to take advantage or adapt to the situation to get the best out of it. The commander. This refers you as the commander. For any decision you make, you must consider your skills, capabilities, and knowledge before taking action. What is the point if you do not have enough skills to take on the job or business? Earth. Earth refers to your battlefield, which you are so-called fighting. Different battlefields require different strategies. Is your location ideal for your work on your career or business plan? Perhaps you can move to a better location that is more profitable or conducive to achieving your goals. Rules and regulation. This refers to managing resources like your team of people, finances, and resources. Before you embark on your goals, you must consider your manpower, costs, resources to achieve your career and business goals. Sun Tzu says, these 5 heavenly factors should be familiar to every general. He who knows them will succeed. He who does not will fail. Achieving success extends beyond merely putting in hard work and maintaining a positive attitude. It requires a careful examination of various possibilities that lie ahead and profound comprehension of the specific challenges and situations we encounter. This journey involves critically assessing our options, adapting to the unique context we face, and recognizing the intricate factors that influence our path forward. Subscribe and learn the art of war.